Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how to change language in Mortal Kombat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, click on settings. Scroll down a bit and there you will see English option. You have to click on that. Over here you will see various language options from which you have to choose any of them which you are comfortable with. After clicking on the language you want to choose, you have to click on OK. And within few seconds your language will be changed. So this is how you change language in Mortal Kombat. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.